In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Brevo. This is a really simple process, but it can make a huge difference if you prefer to work in another language or if you're setting up Brevo for a team in a different region. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by logging into your Brevo account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, bring your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you should see your company name or account name. This is where Brevo keeps a lot of your main account options. Click on your company name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the settings page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections. In this menu, find the section labeled Language. Go ahead and click on Language to open the language settings area. You're now on the language settings page. Here you'll see a list or drop-down of the languages that Brevo currently supports. Take a moment to scroll through the options and find the language you want to use for your interface. This language will affect things like menus, labels, and other on-screen text within Brevo. Once you've found your preferred language, click on it to select it. Before you leave this page, you need to confirm the change so it actually takes effect. Look for the button that says Save the Preferences or something similar. Click this button to save your new language setting. After you click Save, the page will reload automatically. This reload is normal. It allows Brevo to apply your new language across the interface. When the page finishes loading, you should see that the platform is now displayed in the language you selected. If something doesn't look quite right, or if you selected the wrong language by accident, you can simply repeat these steps. Go back to your account name, open Settings, click on Language, choose a different language, and save your preferences again. And that's all you need to do to change the language on Brevo.